Today I'm making a soft and delicious bath with the perfect flavor of coconut and semolina. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. I placed a pan on low flame. Now I'm adding half tablespoon of clarified butter, 3/4 cup of semolina. I'll saute for a few minutes and then transfer into a plate. Next I'm grinding 1 and 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Then in a bowl I'm adding 3 egg yolks. I'm adding 3/4 cup of sugar. You can add less sugar if you want the bath to be less sweet. Now beat it well till it is light and creamy. Next goes in half teaspoon of vanilla essence. One-fourth teaspoon of cardamom powder. Add 1/4 cup of butter and mix. Now I am adding a pinch of salt and mixing it well. Next we will add the coconut. Mix it. Add the semolina and mix well. In a bowl, add 2 egg whites and beat until it is foamy and fluffy. Fold the egg whites into the batter. In a mixer jar, I am adding 1/4 cup of cashew nuts and grinding it into fine powder. I am adding it to the batter and I will mix it well. If you don't want to add cashew nuts, you can skip it. Cover the bowl and let it rest for 8 hours. Then mix the batter. By the way, if you enjoy watching this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Add half teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. Remember, do not overmix. I greased a 6-inch square baking pan and placed parchment paper on it, and now I am transferring the batter into it. Then spread the batter evenly, apply oil and smoothen it. Then tap the baking pan a few times. I am placing some cashew nuts and pressing gently. If you don't want to add cashew nuts on top, you can skip it. Bake in a preheated oven. I baked it 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Keep checking after 35 minutes if it's ready, as timings and temperatures of various ovens may differ. Once cooled, unmold the Batk onto a plate. Batk always reminds us of Christmas time at home. The smell in the kitchen right now is amazing. This bath is soft, moist and full of coconut flavor. That's how simple it is to make this special Christmas sweet. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy baking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.